In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently clear out duplicate files from your Google Drive. If you've noticed your storage is creeping towards its limit, this guide might just save you some space and help you keep things organized. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to fire up your preferred web browser and make your way to drive.google.com. Once there, it's time to log into your Google account. Remember, if you manage multiple accounts, double check that you're logged into the one where you need to tidy up storage to ensure you're in the right place. Now let's move over to the left-hand menu and click on Storage. This handy section gives you a bird's eye view of everything you've saved, and most importantly, it sorts all your files by size. This is a great way to easily spot any hefty duplicates that might be lurking in your drive. Once you're on the storage page, let's switch gears a bit and direct your attention over to the top right corner where you'll find the name column. Clicking on it will allow you to sort all your files alphabetically. This organizes everything in sequence, making it much simpler to identify files that share identical or very similar names. Now scroll through your neatly ordered list and keep an eye out for any files with matching names. For example, you might notice a file named video.mp4, then video1.mp4, and perhaps even video2.mp4. These are the duplicates you're looking for. They're usually a hint that a file was mistakenly uploaded more than once or saved multiple times without you realizing it. Once you've identified these redundant files, right-click on the duplicate that you want to remove. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Remove. Don't worry, this step isn't permanent yet. It just moves the file to your trash, giving you a bit of leeway if you ever change your mind. Finally, to ensure these files are deleted permanently and free up your storage, you'll need to navigate to the trash section of your Google Drive. Once there, click on Empty Trash. Remember, this step will remove all items in the trash, so double check that you're ready to say goodbye to them. This final action will give you that extra breathing room in your storage, keeping your drive neat and tidy. And there you have it. You've successfully cleaned up those pesky duplicates, cluttering your Google Drive, offering you more space and a more organized digital life. Keep this habit of checking duplicates from time to time, and you'll prevent unnecessary storage woes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy